All right, back for some more. Love it when a plan comes together. So the siphoning with the portable vacuum or the portable steam cleaner and the extra hose that I found essentially did the trick. So let me show you what the handiwork looks like. So as you can see, there was some spillage. Vacuum wasn't really designed to do exactly what I needed to do, but what did it do? Oh, you see the filled up bottle here. So it filled up this Windex almost full. So I was able to siphon all of the windshield washer fluid and Windex that I inadvertently, mistakenly put in there. I was able to pull it all out. So now I'm gonna make a homemade version of windshield washer fluid. That way I don't have to go to the store and grab anything more because I have everything that I need right here. So, lesson of the day, if you make a mistake, don't sweat it, because as soon as you figure out a way out of it, it's not that big a deal. So fortunately, I had a lot of tools hanging around the house and I was actually able to solve my problem. So hopefully you're able to solve your problems. Doesn't matter what it is, just figure out a way, find a way. All right, so appreciate you tuning in. Catch you on the next clip. Bye.